This hen's got it confused. She's supposed to be impressed by the male. He's supposed to be fluffing up, but she's acting like a male. Maybe she's trying to show him how to do it. He wasn't too impressed. Oh, now she's on. Look at these hens. Oh, there's a male. What you doing, hen? This hen acts like she's kind of confused. Oh, it's alright, girl. Whoop, there goes a male. He said he wasn't going to let that girl show him up. Let's see if we can get him to turn around where I can look at his front. Come here, boy. Come on. Show the people your front there. Turn around. Come on. Show me your front now. People on YouTube don't want to look at your butt. There we go. The feathers are iridescent. They shine different colors, depends on the lighting conditions. Come on, it's alright. His feathers will be about twice that big when he gets a little bit more. He's doing pretty good there. What you doing? See if we can zoom in a little bit. The hen's over there trying to show off too. See if we get a close up on my eyes. Alright. This is the first time this year I've seen any of the males fluffed up like this. This peacock here is named Pet. He's about 4 years old. They don't start growing their feathers in like this till they get about 3 years old. So I'm going to end this.